Good morning, this is your Stat Sensei, Mr. Spensei, and this is the exit ticket for Chi-Square for today. So, scenario one, I'm a loser baby. A nonprofit organization, Hope for Hungry Children, is hosting a charity fundraising event to support families struggling with food insecurity. As part of the event, they introduce a fundraising prize wheel where participants pay $40 per spin to win cash prizes that range from $0 to $100. The wheel is divided into five equally sided spaces. We said that the probability of each one showing up should be 20%. We said our expected, and so then we went 1 divided by 5 and got 0.2, and we multiplied that by the 150, and we got our expected value. Our expected values is N times P, where 150 times 0.2, and that gave us values of $30. We had that stuff in the calculator, and I'll just go back and show that to us real quickly. Um, so there's our observed 55, 30, 28, 22, etc. And there's our expected values in these columns. All right, it says how many samples are there? Well, there's one sample of 150. All right. And our population is 12,875 of spins in that one night, and that was given to us right here. All right. And it says list the variables. Well, we said we have a variable, and our variable are the winnings. It says cash prizes here. Perhaps it might help if we actually called that winnings as well. So this is cash prizes or the winnings. And we had 5 levels, 0, 10, 25, 50, and 100. Then it says which of the values had the greatest contribution. So I go, all right, let's run this thing. Stat test, chi-squared goodness of fit. Oops, degrees of freedom is 5 minus 1. And I have my contributions. And I see my first contribution is 20.0 or 20.833. The next one was 0. The next one is 0.133. The next one is 2. The next one is 7.5. All right. So this was the contribution for winning 0. This was the contribution for winning 10, contribution for winning 25, contribution for winning 50, and this is the contribution for winning 100. Well, the one that had the largest contribution, winning $0. So winning 0 had the largest contribution. The second was winning $100. So winning $0 had the greatest contribution. All right, the last one. All right, this is the same thing that we did the other scenario. So I'm not going to reread it. It says answer the following question. How many samples are there? Well, when we read this thing, when we glance back through it, randomly select. So we have a random sample of 870, so one sample, but we have two variables. We have movie genre, which has 4 levels, action, comedy, drama, sci-fi, so 4 levels. And we have age category, which also has 4 levels. And so those are our 4 levels. Those are our samples. All right. So let me try that again. Sample size of 870, one sample. We have 2 variables, movie genre with 4 levels, and we have age group with 4 levels. These two are our 4, or excuse me, these two are our 2 variables, each with 4 levels. All right, I hope that helps. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you.